Good morning. This is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with another amazing question. Today I have the question is about how to set different bid and CPC for mobile, laptop, and tablet. So in a same campaign, in case you want to set different CPCs for mobile and CPC for laptop and CPC for tablet, what you have to do. The process is quick and easy, and anyone can do it. Just simply open your Google Ads account like this. You can see over here your campaign over here. Anyone for okay, you can just scroll below, select the devices over here. Once you select the devices, you can right now this is because the dashboard. Let me open one of the account as so I can show you as well. For instance, if I open the same account of this one, just select. I'm going to open the account over here, and it's being loaded. And now you can see over here that you can set different CPC, do bid adjustments, increase by, decrease by, here your campaign name. And you can set for different, for even you can set for TV screens, you can set for computer, you can even set for tablet. So just simply move on to the devices account over here, select the campaign you want to work on, and then you can do bid adjustment and increase or decrease. For instance, if you want to double the bid, for instance, I have a average CPV of 1.24 and I want to double for mobile phone, I can increase by 100%, or I can decrease by 50%, 80%. The same for TV screens, computers, tablet. So I can set it for anything, and for any comparing the process. I hope you get it. So I hope it answers your question as well. So in case if you need our services, the details are in the description of this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you. Take care.